So step number one is we directly go to digistore24.com and we go directly to marketplace, and I'm gonna go and select a product. I'm gonna show you a really low competition and high demand niche, which is called spirituality. Nowadays the spirituality niche is popular day by day, and there's a really good opportunity for you guys to start promoting spiritual niche. So you guys can see here is the first product, and the second product not converts really well, so we go with the first one. You guys can see here is the product related to like spirituality. The average commission you guys can easily make 22, almost $23, $22. We go with like almost $22, and the average cart conversion is 16%. So it means cart conversion is really high, so we're gonna directly promote this offer. So first of all, let's see the sales page of this offer, and then we're gonna promote. I'm gonna show you really basic and simple strategy how we're gonna promote, but you guys can see first of all here is the sales page. Okay, so this is a very basic sales page, but first of all, if anybody came to this website, they just put their name and continue, and the whole setup will next. But we don't do this right now. We just simply, you guys must click promote now and get your affiliate link and make sure save in your notepad. Once you saved in your notepad, then we directly go to step number 2 is we go to facebook.com. In Facebook we simply search, like for example, spirituality, like this, and I added. You guys just simply go to groups, and in groups you guys just simply sign in, join all these groups, like simply join these groups, and I agree rules. Make sure you guys must join 30 to 40 groups every single day, and you guys can see every single group is like, you guys can see more than 100,000 members. You guys can see 171,000, 1,000 and 150,000, 128,000. So nowadays spirituality niche is low competition, but the demand is really high related to spirituality niche. So you guys can see there is a lot of members in spirituality groups, so there's a really good opportunity for beginners. So normally we directly go to one of these groups, and I'm going to show you how you guys can promote. You are not allowed to start promoting your links in these groups. I'm going to show you how you guys start promoting your affiliate offer. So first of all, I'm going to show you, scroll down, and you guys can see 629 likes, 256 comments, 24 shares. So you guys can see these groups are really engaging groups. Okay, so scroll down and let's see. So here is the 7 likes, and let's see, this guy post only 1 hour ago and start getting likes and shares. You guys can see this guy post, like you guys can see 12 hours ago, and he gets like almost 800 likes, 20 comments and 143 shares. So you guys can see that these groups are really engaging groups. So you guys can see that 582 and 112 comments, 17 shares. So these are really engaging groups. So I'm going to show you how you guys can promote your affiliate links. So you can see that these guys are not promoting their affiliate links right now. Why? Because if they start promoting directly their affiliate links, these group admins will disable or delete their posts. Okay, so first of all, you guys need a post. How you guys can get a post? So directly you guys go to google.com and simply search spirituality quotes. Once you search spirituality quotes, you guys get like tons of quotes. So simply click this and save image on your computer. Simply right click and save as image. Okay, once you did this, then directly go back to your Facebook group and simply click this, and you guys can see post photo. Click this, and I have an image. So here is the image I'm gonna post in this group. You guys can see, you don't have a soul, you are a soul, you have a body. So this is like spiritual type of quotes. So these quotes works really well. Make sure you guys find a really good or engaging quote that people want to share these quotes. Okay, so we just simply click post, and we didn't add any of our affiliate link till here. You guys can see here is approval method. It's been submitted to your post to group admins for approval. It means if the admins approved our post, then our post allowed to all people can see our post easily. So that's why we are not adding our affiliate link once admin approved our post. After 30 minutes to 60 minutes, then we gonna add our affiliate link, and I'm gonna show you how you guys can add your affiliate link. So scroll down, let's see if anybody added their affiliate links. So here is the guy, I think this guy is added. Yes, you guys can see after like this guy has added their affiliate link here. Scroll down and let's see more about this. And not a lot of people are adding their affiliate links. So once your post is approved by admin, then you guys can add your affiliate links after 30 to 60 minutes. And you guys can see, click this and I'm going to show you. For example, you guys must add your description or ad copy like this. Make sure once your post is approved, then you guys can easily paste this stuff in your ad copy. Okay, so I'm gonna give you this text and link in the description. You guys just simply copy and paste. Once your ad is approved, you guys just simply click three dots and you guys can see edit post. Once you click edit post, then you guys can easily paste all these your ad copy, which I'm gonna give you a link in the description. In this way, admin approves your post start getting likes and shares. In this way, your post is viral and you are also promoting your product. Okay, you are start getting sales with this method. And remember, spiritual niche is really low competition nowadays and high demand. So I made a lot of money through spirituality. That's why I'm going to show you this niche. So estimates. So for example, if you are promoting your post 40 groups every single day, you are posting your post in every single day 40 groups, and for example only 10 people see your post every single group. Okay, so it means 10 multiplied by 40 groups is equal to 400 people are watching your post, or you call it your ad, every single day, and only 250 people click on your link, because in this case the conversion rate of clicking link is really high. We call it click-through rate is really high. And for example, in 250 people, only 3% people, average 3% people will convert. So the average conversion is, you guys get like, for example, 8 sales, almost 8 sales, and 8 multiplied by 22 is equal to $176 you guys can easily make every single day. And 176 multiplied by 7 is equal to $1,232 every single day you guys can easily make with this method.